Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to jailbreak iOS 14.4.2 without a computer. This is 100% untethered, guys. It's working on all iOS devices as well. I've tested this on all my iPhones. I've got a 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max. This is currently a 10s. It is working on the 11. Guys, trust me, this is working flawlessly on all devices. So I'm going to show you guys the Cydia app is fully functional. It's got all the features. It is flawless, guys. I've done a lot of testing with this new iOS 14.4.2 jailbreak, and like I said, it is completely flawless. You guys are really going to love it. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It's super easy to do. Instructions are very simple. It literally takes 2 minutes. It's honestly wonderful. I can't believe this is currently out right now. I know a lot of people accidentally let their devices update to 14.4.2 and they're regretting it. So don't worry about that, guys. I got you covered. So let's get into it, okay? So the first thing you guys want to do is open up Safari, guys, and make sure you open up Safari. It only works on Safari. So open up Safari, okay, and we're going to go to the website apphacks.co/Cydia, okay? There is a website, guys, apphacks.co/Cydia. Okay, so just get that typed into your browser. All right. So I'm just going to click the Go button. Okay, so basically what we're doing right now is we're downloading the Cydia installer profile, okay? So we're going to go to your settings, okay? And we're just going to click on profile downloaded right here. Go ahead and click install. Enter in your passcode. Okay, next, install, done. Okay, so we basically just updated our Cydia installer profile, okay? So right now, the Cydia installer is currently in sandbox mode, okay? So now to get it out of sandbox mode, you simply just have to click on any of the features here, and then it's going to take you to the installation wizard. Once you get to the installation wizard, guys, you're simply going to have to install all of the apps on the installation wizard and do exactly what their instructions say, because basically what the developers did was they hid the files for the iOS 14.4.2 jailbreak within these apps on the App Store. Now, when you install the apps and you complete their exact instructions, it initiates a break in the code, which begins transferring the files over to your device. Okay, guys, so we're going to click on any of these features here. Simply just click the Start button. Like I said, it takes you to the installation wizard. Once you get there, once you complete the installation properly, within 30 minutes, the files for Cydia will transfer over to your device. If they're not on your device, and this screen will go back to the original Cydia app with all the features working. If that does not happen within 30 minutes, then you did the installation wrong. You need to go back, install all of the apps again, complete their exact instructions step by step. Be very patient with it, guys, and then the installation will complete successfully. Guys, there's no reason why it shouldn't work if you did the installation steps properly. So like I said, guys, install every single app on the installation wizard, complete each app's exact instructions, and you should be good to go, guys, and you'll be able to get free paid apps and free tweaked apps in no time. I'm telling you guys, you're gonna have plenty of fun with this, okay? So that's how to jailbreak iOS 14.4.2 without a computer, untethered. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm out.